And what are we cooking today? Oh, we're cooking coconut oil. Looking good. I think it's nearly well done. Well, I was just heating it up. Getting rid of the last bit. I got some other coconut oil that I'll use. Look at it run. Runny, runny. All right, what's been put on the plan today? Ready? That's a steak. Don't make a mistake. It's a steak. On top of that, there's some pepper. I've also had it sitting there with some salt on it, and I also put some of this taco on it. Taco spice blend. I'll also put some of my secret ingredient. And you let it sit. Look at him go. Sizzle, sizzle. Watch the coconut drizzle. For shizzle. The coconut drizzle. He's looking good there. Shall I turn him? Don't mind me, just doing some washing in the background. He's looking pretty good. What do you think? Sponsored by Coconut Oil. Product placement. Ready to be sponsored by Coconut Oil. Watch the coconut drizzle. Make sure you watch my other video, which is the 9-minute steak. This one I think will be a 10-minute steak. Oh, I can't wait any longer. Let's just flip the dude over. I know, you're pretty excited. to watch him. You ready? Do the coconut drizzle. Drizzly, drizzle, drizzle. You've got to hang your steak for a while. Just let it hang. It's called resting it in the air. It's an aeration rest. Before you flip, you'd give it an aeration rest. And then down he goes. Like that. Aeration hang rest. Back into the coconut drizzle. Watch that drizzle go. The coconut drizzle has gotten a golden colour now because of the taco spice blend that was on the top there. Put the pan on the side, get some of the goodness, put it on. So this way you can be sort of cooking the steak both sides at the same time, keeping heat on this side as well as the other. So you got the hot oil here, keeping it cooking. So now we're tacking it from both sides at the same time. Making sure that it's on high. You got to turn it to 11. What do you mean 10? Mine goes to 11. Put the hot oil on the top. Recheck. Yeah, turn to 11. He's on 11. Left front 11. Doing good. Come back. Well, I thought this was going to be a 9-minute steak or a 10-minute. I can't remember what I said. I go by feel. I wait till the steak talks to me and I can hear him. He goes, "Please eat me. Please eat me now. I'm done. Stick a fork in me." Not sure if I can hear him say that. Quick recheck. Yeah, still an 11. Do the coconut drizzle. Pick him up, do the air hang. You need a good air hang. It lets him breathe. Good old air hang. Flappy, flappy. Back down. Boom. Like a wrestler, rock and roll wrestler, slam him down. See, he thought he was resting. No, you surprise it. You surprise it, slap it down. He thought he was resting. That just killed him. So, he's good to go. I can hear him say, "Please eat me." So now it's ready. We sort of got it while it was shocked. We gave him a rock and roll slap down. Then, tell you what, let's give it a cutty cut. I'll show you what it looks like in the middle. Just like that. He'd be all warm and a bit of pink. Show you the other side as well. Do you like pink bits? Let me know. Stick a fork in me, I'm done. That's the other side. Whoops, just made a mess. Look at that, I'm making a mess. This has turned up to 11 and now it's splattering everywhere. Alright, I think that was a 10-minute steak. I forgot to have a look. See you next time.